Hey guys, welcome back to Let's Mom. So today's video is going to be a teeny tiny Target haul, but I'm also going to be showing you guys my new bed, and I'm so excited. We finally found our bed, and I've been searching for this bed for probably about, I'd say 9 months. I've been looking for it. I had set a budget, and unfortunately I couldn't find it in the right size for the budget I had set. And I finally found it. So I'm going to show you, and I'll tell you the story behind getting the bed, because it's kind of a cool story. So let's get started with the Target haul. So I have a hard time spending money, but I did get some money for Christmas, and we had went to Target, was checking out stuff. My daughter had a couple of gift cards, and so she wanted to spend her money, and I thought I would kind of look, and I did find a couple of things that I liked. So the first thing that I got, and I actually had seen this, I think it was on someone else's YouTube channel. It might have been Auntie Cuckoo's channel. She was showing all the new stuff that the Target Dollar Spot had. And I found this mirror, and I love it. It is, oh, hello, it's me. Look at this. This is so ridiculous what I have you standing on. So anyway, it is this mirror, and it was $3. It has like a gold trim, and then the actual string is just like, it's like rope, I guess, and it's white and gold. And it's super cute. It is kind of small. Now they had several different sizes of it, and or not sizes, they had several different shapes, that's what I'm trying to think. They had, I want to say they had like a star, they had like a round shape, and then might have been a heart, maybe, I'm not sure, but they only had one of just the round, and of course that's what I wanted. The other thing that I spotted that I really liked were these frames, and I got 2 of them. They had quite a few more, and it's just a wood frame, and it has like, I don't even know what you'd call this. Kind of reminds me of shutters, I guess. I don't know. Maybe that's not the right thing, but I think it's really cute. These were $12.99, and I got them on clearance for $3.88, which I think is a good price. And it does have where you can hang it in a couple of places, and it's just nice quality. And it's the Threshold brand. But I got 2 of them, and my husband is making me a couple of shelves, and I'll show you when those are finished. He's still working on them, and I'll show you where I'm going to put them. I'm going to put them right behind here. So I wanted to put these on there. The other thing I got, and I did pay full price for this, but my daughter spotted it and was like, you need this. And it's this t-shirt, and it says, Mama Needs Coffee, and I love it. It's super soft. It's by the Hello Gorgeous brand, I guess. Hello Gorgeous? Oh, no, maybe not. Grayson and Threads, and it was $14.99. And I don't remember if it was marked down any further, but I think it was $14.99. But it's just really super soft. I love how the it's kind of worn, the collar. It's sort of like a V-neck, but like a worn V-neck, and I really like that. And the sleeves are the exact same way, sort of like that worn look. And it covers my butt, which I really like, and it'll look super cute with leggings. And now the only other thing that I got, and I don't wear makeup a lot, so I didn't want to spend a lot of money, but I did get some makeup brushes. I received some makeup, some pretty nice quality makeup, and I just needed some makeup brushes. I think I had one brush from like high school, so I really needed to get some makeup brushes. And this was $10, but I think it was marked down 30%, so I paid $7 for these. And it's just the e.l.f. brand 7-piece set, and it has like it says a complexion brush, a flawless concealer brush, a blending brush, an eyeshadow C brush, which I don't know what that means, a small angled brush, eyelash and brow wand, and a lip defining brush. So just a inexpensive set, because I'm not I hardly ever wear makeup. So that is the haul. That is everything that I got, and I still have money left over, and one of the things that I'd like to get is new bedding. Okay guys, so this is the bed we got, and it is an IKEA bed, and I'll have to see if I can link this particular bed in the description below. But it's just like a metal bed, and it's like a gray color. I'll see if I can come up on it a little bit so you can see it a little bit better. It's not like a super dark gray, but I love the color because it's simple and classic enough that you could do a lot of different things as far as like styling it. And I'm just using like a blanket I already had, pillows I already had. I'm not 100% sure as to what kind of bedding I want to do yet, but I love the bed so much. Like I said, I have been looking for this bed for probably 9 months, and I had set a budget. I said I only wanted to spend $100 on it, and I never could find this bed. Now, I don't even think IKEA makes these in a king size any longer. When I was looking, I had checked the website, and they were back in, I don't know, June maybe. I had checked the website, and they did have them. They were, by the time you added in tax and stuff, it was getting close to about $300 for this bed in a king size. And I didn't want to spend that because I'm pretty frugal and don't like to spend a ton of money. So I decided I was going to search for this used, and I set a budget of $100. I didn't want to spend more than $100. So I have been looking like continuously. I mean, every single week I was looking on Craigslist, the yard sale pages, Facebook Marketplace, and I never could find it. Now, I did spot one time this bed in a twin size, and they wanted almost $100 just for a used twin size. So I actually got this a couple of days, I think it was the Friday after Christmas is when we actually got the bed. And I had been talking to my mom, I had checked the website, and for a while they didn't even have this bed on the website. And now I think they only make it in a queen and a full. So maybe they'll get more king sizes in, I'm not sure, but I will link this bed in the description below. But I've been telling my mom, I was like, I don't think I can find this bed anymore. And if I do, it will have to be used. And I got off the phone with her it was Friday. It was Friday morning. I got off the phone with her and happened to look on the Facebook Marketplace, and there it was, the king size in this bed for $100. I was like, you have got to be kidding me. Like, as soon as I got off the phone, I did that, and there it was. So the lady was awesome. It's gently used. There's not even one scuff mark on it. It's in perfect condition. So this is the corner. It's just my side of the bed, and this is where I want to put the shelves, and it's just going to be 2 wood shelves my husband has. It's a free project. It'll be a completely free project, and I do have like those picture frames I want to put up there. I'm thinking that little vase with the flowers, and then this really cool thing. I'll show you guys. I got this for Christmas from my husband and the kids, and it's from Jumanji. It's the character Jack Black plays, and I might have a little bit of a crush on Jack Black. He is my fave. Yeah, he's my celebrity crush. I know that might be weird, but I love Jack Black. So I have that. I'm going to put that up there, and the vase, and probably those picture frames. And then, just to show you, this is where I hung the little mirror, and it's fine. I'm not a decorator by any means, but I do love the mirror, and I love how things are turning out with the bed. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed it. I know it was a quick video. I just kind of wanted to show you those things that I purchased at Target so I can start using them. I wanted to show you my bed because in the past I've filmed some videos sitting on a mattress on the floor like a kid, like a teenager. So we have a grown-up bed now. I'm so excited. We love it. And I guess that's it. So I will see you on the next video. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Take care. Bye.